Hello everyone, it's me again. I'm just showing you today is going to be the upgrade. I'm putting in the ASUS Formula-V Crosshair or Crosshair V Formula-z motherboard by ASUS. And I did clean it out the other day, so no more dust, but since I'm taking the motherboard out, I'm going to dust it a little bit more, get some more stuff out of the nooks and cranny. But this is it, guys. This is the plunge. So I'm going to take it nice and slow, and let's see if you guys like it. Alright, everything's installed. Everything looks good. Let's test it on. Green is good. And there you go. Everything's running perfectly. Everything looks good. You see the little LED. That goes down to the audio, to all the capacitors. Everything looks good. The code reader is working, running through its cycles, and it got the 66. That means it's running good. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. Everything came out perfect. Everything's running great. And I hope you enjoy this video, and give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave comments, and let me know.